Hey guys, how's it going? Today I got two audio products to look at. One of them is a pair of headphones, the other one is a speaker. So the first one we're going to take a look at is the headphones, which are the Master and Dynamic MW60 wireless headphones. And I've already done a lot of unboxing of headphones already. So the reason why I got a new one is because the old ones, my old Denon MM400s, which I did an unboxing video of a few years ago, those ones got stolen at my workplace. Not sure who stole it or whatever, but yeah, those ones got stolen. They're $400 headphones, and my company hasn't been able to find any leads on it, so I haven't been able to find any way to get it back. So there, I had to get a new pair. And these ones, I've been looking at a couple of different headphones, you know, like wireless headphones, noise canceling, traditional wired headphones, and I decided that since I got my Sonora headset not that long ago, having wired headphones would be nice, but it's not really having the option of a wireless headphone is better, right? So and of course most wireless headphones also give the option of going wired as well. So I like, why not just go for a wireless? Since most devices these days are using Bluetooth now anyways, might as well go for a more convenient option. Now these headphones came out a few years ago, back in 2015, and a little bit of background about this company, Master and Dynamic. They're a relatively new company in the audio world. They started just in 2013, so they're not that old. However, their products have been mostly well known for their style and as well as their decent performance. All right, so just as an example, I do have another pair of Master and Dynamic products, which are the ME03 earphones, and I got these 3 years ago, and surprisingly, they still work. I mean, they weren't super expensive or anything. They were around like 130 bucks, but I like the style and everything, and the fact that they still work after 3 years is pretty amazing, considering most of my other tech products don't work as well after 3 years. So the fact that these earphones still work after 3 years is pretty impressive, and the sound quality is pretty decent and everything. So I thought might as well give it a shot and try their headphones, especially since I got this one on sale on eBay. So normally when this came out, you can buy it brand new right now for 550 bucks on Amazon or from their website. But on eBay, I found a refurbished pair for just 250 bucks. So that's a savings of over 50%, right? So I was like, okay, well, why not? Let's just give it a shot. And really, you can see from the design of their headphone, the two companies I would compare them to are Grado Labs and Bang & Olufsen. First of all, Grado Labs, because their MH40, which has like the little grill and stuff on the ear cup, looks a lot like the Grado headphones that they've been making for a while. And also, they're also based in New York, just like Master Dynamic. And the other company, Bang & Olufsen, is because the other company that I can think of, which charges an upmarket premium, I'm talking about besides Porsche Design and those kind of design companies which do collaborations. The other audio company that I know of that places a premium on product design as well as having decent sound is Bang & Olufsen. And of course, they've been around for way longer than Master and Dynamic. But from what I've seen, Master and Dynamic really is the Bang & Olufsen of the United States. I mean, they're an American brand, but they have the same kind of appeal. They have the same kind of focus on design, and they put a price premium on their products. And the sound quality is decent. It's not like Beats where they overcharge and the sound quality is just crap, right? The sound quality is decent. Obviously they're not the best value though. I mean, you can get better value out of like Sennheisers or AKGs or Shores, Bowers & Wilkins, Klipsch, those kind of headphones. Audio-Technica has always been good, Sony's, even Bose, but Bose is kind of more of a specialty in noise canceling. But yeah, let's do the unboxing. And of course, I'm not going to do a review of headphones because these are headphones. It's not like speakers where I can actually show you guys how they sound. Since they're headphones, I can't really show you how they sound. And I can only tell you like relative comparisons since I've had the Denon MM400s, which are the Denon Music Maniacs. Those are my previous headphones that got stolen. So these are replacing those, and I had the Sennheiser Momentums before that. So let's take a look. First of all, slick packaging right here. As soon as you open it up, you can see that these headphones look very, very premium. Master and Dynamic company that charges a lot for their products, but they've always put an emphasis premium on their design. So this is where I say it's just like Bang & Olufsen. They charge a premium on design, and obviously you're going to find better value in other places, but if you really like design, then yeah, Master Dynamic's pretty good. So let's take a look. This is the holder for the micro USB. Ooh, good surprise here. I actually got a 1/4-inch jack here. That's nice for connection to really audio peripherals and like creative audio peripherals. For example, I'm using my Scarlett, my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, my USB DAWs, and I can always use this for connecting to that. So they already supply you an adapter for that. Micro USB, of course, keep in mind this headphone was released in 2015, late 2015, so the USB-C wasn't that popular yet. So I guess that's forgiven because these are not really new headphones. If they were new headphones that came out with micro USB, I'd be kind of pissed. Okay, and this is the audio cable. Well, I wouldn't be pissed. I would just be annoyed. This is the audio cable that connects. You know, it's wireless, but you have the option to be wired, which is what I wanted. So this little carrying case, which by the way is not so different from the carrying case for my other Master Dynamic earphones as well. All right, and we have the headphones itself. I don't think there's anything else. Don't think there's anything else in this box. Oh, there is. Okay, it's like, yeah, they had to have a manual or something. All right, so quick start. Like how this is like packaged, like gift wrapped or something. All right, quick start. We have a really hefty manual holder here. Yeah. See, another thing about Master Dynamic, they also have a similar sized little manual for my earphones as well. This is really overkill. I mean, this is a hefty book. It's like a book. Look at this. A freaking book. But yeah, this is like, this user manual is hefty. I mean, these are Bluetooth headphones. They shouldn't be that complicated, but yeah, I like that they give you a pretty hefty book for it. You can almost put this on a coffee table or something for you to read. All right, this carrying case here, and I know how I said like the Sennheiser Momentums gave you really big, a large carrying case, and the Denon MM400s, their carrying case was just lacking. This one kind of in the middle. I still don't think it's still not as good as the Sennheisers, but I think they're a little bit step above the Denons. Master Dynamic, you can see the logo right there, and yeah, there's a smaller pouch here for the cables, I think. Oh, I think because these fold. Okay, I was like, yeah, if they can't fold up, I don't know how they would fit in here, but yeah, I guess they would fold up, right? That's it for the box. By the way, getting this refurbished is a really good deal, and they're practically brand new. Got a 50% discount. All right, so these are headphones itself, and really comfortable, premium looking. Oh wow, look at this, right? Aluminum, and these are magnetic ear cups, so you just take them off, attaches magnetically. They feel really comfortable. Yeah. Very premium design. Look at that. Oh, very nice. And yeah, they should fold up like that, just like my Sonys do. So that's awesome. All right. So, and then you look at the side here, and this is a pretty premium design. You look at this, there's a Bluetooth pairing and on button. This is an audio jack for wireless wired mode. On the other side here, you got the standard controls for play and pause and up and down volume. Is this volume or skipping to the next track? I think it would be volume, right? And then you got the micro USB charger. All right. Yeah, very premium pair of headphones. They also sell a stand that complements very well with this. However, I would not buy the stand because it's so expensive. It's like $60 for just a stand. And if you're paying $60 for a stand, I mean, you can find much better on Amazon. But yeah, the styling is very nice and retro. It reminds me of Grados. The styling, at least, reminds me of Grados. And the pricing and the feature set, yeah, I would say the design very similar to Bang & Olufsen, placing a premium on the design, upcharging for it. Yeah, basically they're the American Bang & Olufsen. So yeah, if you like this kind of styling, I would say check it out. And you can find it cheap right now on eBay. So I would never pay full price for this because I don't think it's a good deal. But if you can find it refurbished like I did and you pay half price for it, then I think it's a pretty decent value right now. Now keep in mind the same price, 250 bucks right now. You can maybe find a pair of Sennheiser HD1s, which are also pretty good wireless headphones. However, I don't think the style is as good as this. The sound quality might be a little bit better, but this is like lambskin. You got lambskin right here, and this is like leather ear cups right here. I like the styling of the Master Dynamics a little bit better than the Sennheiser HD1s. That's just me, and you can also find, if you can go a little bit more pricey, you can probably find the noise canceling headphones. That's where you get into the noise canceling range. You got the Bose Quiet Comfort QC 35.2s, then you got the Bowers and Wilkins PX, you got the Sony MDR 1000X, which I also have, which are fantastic as well. I just like the styling of this, and it complements very well with my Sonera as well, the Sonera headset that I got, head-mounted display that I got, and I think I'm gonna try to use it and with my friend. I'll show you guys a video clip of using my Sonera HMD at my friend's place because he has this nice Osaki massage chair, which I wanted to set up and use my head-mounted display with because that seems like a good setting. It's good.
Not bad.
Not bad? How's the video quality is better, right, than the other one? Right, it's pretty good, right? Pretty good video quality. Yeah, Bill's enjoying that. You like that? But yeah, this is the Master and Dynamic MW60s. Ooh. 250 bucks on eBay. At that price, I think is a pretty decent deal. Very competitive with the Sennheiser HD1s, and the other non-noise canceling wireless headphones that you can get at that price range. I think there's also the Porsche design Space Ones, I think. Although I think these ones probably give an inch up. The design is on the Space Ones are pretty good as well, but I think these ones give a leg up in terms of the sound quality at least. Should give about 10 hours of battery life, I think. Yeah, definitely my Sonys might be better in the battery life, but yeah. And these are not noise canceling. I think these are for passive noise cancellation. So yeah, and current case. It's the Master Dynamic MW60s.